एक सर Epstein case. So 3 million files.
Rahul Gandhi's speech during the debate on union budget has left the treasury benches fuming.
I will not allow you. आप बोलो तो अब ये.
Large parts of his speech stand expunged.
Okay, sir, go ahead.
But that is not related with the.
Okay, sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow. That will
I'm not saying Epstein.
These include his references to Union Minister Hardeep Puri and industrialist Anil Ambani, whose names are mentioned in the material linked to Jeffrey Epstein released by the US Department of Justice. Hardeep Puri has rejected charges of direct ties to Epstein. The minister admitted meeting Epstein 3 or 4 times in 8 years after he retired from diplomatic service and was working for the International Peace Institute.
My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terry Rod Larson, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. As part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. In 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email. I meet Mr. Reid Hoffman of LinkedIn, and after the meeting with Reid Hoffman, I send a message.
The opposition is busy punching holes in Hardeep Puri's defense. They point to the mail trail between Hardeep Puri, Epstein and LinkedIn founder Reid Hoffman to allege the former diplomat was closely linked to Epstein. According to the mails released on September 24, 2014, Epstein wrote to Hoffman introducing Hardeep Puri. The next day, Hoffman replies and Puri tries to set up a meeting with Hoffman. On October 4, Hardeep Puri in his mail tells Epstein he's meeting Hoffman later in the day and Epstein gives us tips for making a pitch. On October 5, Hardeep Puri offers to brief Epstein about his meeting with Hoffman and they agree to meet on October 10th.
एप्स्टीन किसके इशारे पर, किसके निर्देश पर रीड हॉफमैन जो कि लिंक्डइन के को-फाउंडर हैं, उनकी भारत यात्रा प्लान कर रहा था? ये सब हरदीप पुरी किस कैपेसिटी में कर रहे थे, किस हैसियत से कर रहे थे? हरदीप पुरी उस वक्त एक रिटायर्ड डिप्लोमेट थे। क्या भारत सरकार की एम्बेसी बंद हो चुकी थी? क्या राजदूत नहीं थे वहां? उनको हरदीप पुरी मिले कि जो ये सारा कार्यक्रम करवाएंगे?
In Parliament, the BJP has launched a counter-attack. While the party did not move a privilege notice, its MP Nishikant Dubey is moving a substantive motion seeking action against Rahul Gandhi.
मैंने एक सब्सटेंसिव मोशन दिया है, उसमें मैंने जिक्र किया है कि कैसे ये सोरोस फाउंडेशन के साथ, फोर्ड फाउंडेशन के साथ, यूएसएड के साथ मिलकर थाईलैंड जाते हैं, कंबोडिया जाते हैं, वियतनाम जाते हैं, यूएस जाते हैं, भारत विरोधी ताकतों के साथ किस तरह से मिले हुए रहते हैं, इनकी सदस्यता भी रद्द हो और इनको जिंदगी भर के लिए चुनाव लड़ने के लिए डिबार भी कर दिया जाए।
Yesterday, what was the code word? Authenticate. Authenticate was yesterday. Today is what?
Today is your.
बोल रहे हैं आप, मेरा हाथ पीछे privilege motion today.
American financier and child sex offender Jeffrey Epstein was convicted in 2008 and he served time for more than a year. He died allegedly by suicide while awaiting trial in a federal case in 2019. 6 years later, the Epstein files are shaking up politics in India.